Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Coursera for business training, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Coursera for Business website. Log in using your company credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can explore various features available to you. To initiate training, select the catalog option from the menu. Browse the courses categorized by topics relevant to your needs. You can also search for specific skills or subjects using the search bar. When you find a course of interest, click on its title for more details. Review the course description, objectives, and instructor information. If the course meets your requirements, click the Enroll button. You may need to assign the course to your employees if you're an admin. To do this, go back to the dashboard and choose Manage Teams. Select the team or individual, click on Assign Courses and find the course you previously selected. After assigning, your team will receive notifications about their new training. To track progress, return to the dashboard and select Reporting. Here, you can view completion rates and engagement levels for enrolled courses. For additional resources, check out the Learning Paths section. These pathways are designed to provide a structured learning experience. Encourage team members to leave feedback on courses they've completed. This can help improve the learning experience for others. Regularly review available courses to keep training up to date. By following these steps, you can effectively use Coursera for business training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.